Huawei is set to revolutionize AI with its cutting-edge computing clusters, aiming to surpass major U.S. platforms. At the heart of this push are the Atlas 950 and Atlas 960 SuperPods, along with their larger counterparts, the Atlas 950 and 960 superclusters. These systems, developed by Huawei's Shenzhen-based firm, are designed to navigate the challenges posed by China's chip manufacturing constraints. As Huawei's deputy chairman, Eric Xu Jijun, explained during the Huawei Connect 2025 conference in Shanghai, these innovations represent a strategic move to break free from reliance on foreign technology. By the fourth quarter of next year, Huawei plans to launch the Atlas 950 SuperPod, powered by 8,192 Ascend Neural Processing Unit (NPU) cards, designed specifically for AI neural networks and machine learning tasks. This model will serve as a cornerstone for rapid AI advancements. The Atlas 960 SuperPod, featuring up to 15,488 Ascend 960 NPU cards, is expected to be available by the end of 2027, marking a significant leap in computational power. The Atlas 950 and 960 superclusters are massive computing systems composed of multiple superpods. The Atlas 950 supercluster, set for release by the end of 2026, will house over 500,000 Ascend NPUs. While the Atlas 960 supercluster will boast more than 1 million, with these world's most powerful systems, Huawei aims to provide abundant computing resources for both current and future AI breakthroughs. But here's where it gets controversial. Can these systems truly rival the performance of U.S. platforms, or are there hidden hurdles in scaling such massive infrastructure? And this is the part most people miss. Huawei's ability to integrate these components into real-world applications remains a critical test. What does this mean for the future of AI development? Are these advancements a game changer, or are there hidden challenges yet to be revealed?